I'm Thomas Smith, and today I am comparing the Instax Wide, this is the Wide 300, against my Instax Mini 70. So these are both great instant film cameras from Fujifilm. The biggest difference between the two is that the Instax Wide uses the larger format of Instax film, and it's actually almost a 4x6 size. It's quite a large print. On the other hand, the Instax Mini 70 here uses the Instax Mini format, which is about the size of a credit card. So basically double the size of film on the Instax Wide 300. And that's basically the biggest difference between these cameras. It means a physically larger camera here with the Wide 300 just because the film itself is bigger. Otherwise, you're putting the film in on the back and the film door here in basically the same way, and these cameras have many of the same features. So you have a flash on each of them, you have a small viewfinder, and they have essentially the same types of controls. You can lighten and darken the frame, you can switch the flash on and off, and that's the same things we see on the back here. Each of these is going to take 10 exposures with a single reel of film, and both of them do have a macro or closer mode and then an infinity mode, and the difference is that to switch the modes on the Wide 300, you turn this little part of the lens. To switch the modes on the Instax Mini 70, we're going to use the mode button on the back of the camera. But fundamentally, pretty similar controls on these two cameras, and the biggest difference is really just the film size. So if you want to be taking bigger pictures, then definitely go with the Wide 300. If you're fine with those smaller credit card ones and you want a camera that's small enough to put in a bag or even in your pocket potentially, then go with the Mini 70.